Coming along so beautifully. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Very important to get a good quality chocolate, and this is a good quality chocolate that you can get. Okay. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be making chocolate covered strawberries. It's Valentine's Day and we want to do something special with my kids. So yeah, let me take you along. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more cooking videos, more family interactions, please like this video so that way I can know you're interested in these type of contents and I'll continue to create them. To start making chocolate covered strawberries, we're starting out with a batch of strawberries nicely picked. You wanted to pick some fresh ones. All of them had the leaves, but my son was washing them and he removed some of the leaves. That's all right. We'll use toothpick to hold these so that way we can dip them. So we want to start with a bowl. We want to have parchment paper, non-stick parchment paper. I just got one from Walmart, nothing fancy. And then we have our chocolates here. We're gonna do white, okay, and this is the brand we're using, okay, and we're gonna be using chocolate as well. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm just gonna use the microwave to melt my chocolate. So we're starting with the chocolate one. So we have 1 cup and we're gonna add about 3/4.
Cool.
So
I didn't expect them to be like that.
I'm gonna leave this much of the chocolate. That's for tempering, and we're gonna take this to the microwave to melt it. And
then he's gonna be in the entertainment.
Okay, eu sonjei para cá fora camera. Okay, so we'll go with 30 seconds, and every 30 seconds we're just gonna take it and give it a stir.
Cool. Yep. And I'm the entertainer. So nobody gets to start until I'm ready.
This is the first 30 seconds. You can see it's already melted quite a lot. So I'm gonna go for 30 more seconds. But my son is so goofy.
Why not do the whole 1 minute?
Because we have to stir it. It's so good. Good quality chocolate.
I can't eat chocolate. I'll have vanilla instead.
It's so hot I can't even put it on the countertop. I don't want the bowl. I don't want the bowl to crack. Okay, so here it's all melted within 1 minute. So now what we do is to bring the temperature down a bit. We're just gonna add a few of these and let it melt from the heat of this chocolate that's in here. That's just to equilibrate. Equilibrate?
Okay. Yep.
Equilibrate?
Yes.
Yay, that's my little scientist over there. So what you do is grab the strawberry, grab it by the leaves. Okay, make sure to do it lightly so that way the leaves don't come off. Okay, and then you just dip it in the sauce, in the chocolate sauce or the chocolate fudge, however you want to call it.
Yeah.
And then you tap it against the bowl just to remove some of the excess of the chocolate, and so that way you don't have a lot of dripping going around as well. And then you just go and lay it on your tray right over here. It's coming so well. Look at these. How come these touching? Okay, so yeah, it's coming along beautifully. I'm very pleased so far. The lighting sucks in here, but other than that, it's beautiful.
I'm gonna do the next one. It looks so fun. Looks so fun. It looks so fun. It looks so fun. It looks so cool. Looks so cool.
And then you roll it in. Roll it in. Don't get it all the way to the neck. Okay, you keep rolling. My son and I, we are left-handed, so it's a struggle to make videos for us. Let me see.
You're
it's good.
Right-handed.
Well, yeah, I
I'm
write with my
left-handed.
left hand, but I'm left-handed too. Yes, I'm left-handed, but I write with my right hand. Because in school, I never told him this story. In school, it was not allowed to do left hand. To write with left hand, so I had to write with my right hand.
Perfect.